So this is the Technica ATR7700. I'm a huge fan of Technica mono microphone, which is a tiltable microphone. It's called Technica AT9912. But now I'm going to use this one. Now you are hearing the audio from the camera, and let me plug in this one and then see how good is the audio with this one. So right now I'm using a 24p, shutter 160, standard profile with saturation +2, contrast -3, sharpness -5. I'm using a catalyst browse 24p. So how good is the audio? Let me know in the comment section box below. Shutter 125, ISO around 3200, around ISO 2000. So how good it is? 17mm. I'm just handling a 17mm and using the Technica ATR7700. How good is the stabilization? Now holding the camera from the lens. How good is the stabilization? I'm really liking it. Around ISO 2000. The ISO is in the auto. How good it is? Let me just quickly show you around. 17mm, 15mm. So still handling and walking. How good it is? Let me know in the comment section box below. So there's some food here. So how good is the stabilization? I'm using the catalyst browse to stabilize the footage. 70mm, 50mm. Clear image zoom. Now 75mm. Handle 75mm clear image zoom. Now it's only 50mm without clear image zoom. Clear image zoom. What's going on here? Some free massage going on here. So $70mm, 50mm. Let me turn on a clear image zoom. Clear image zoom, 75mm. Now with clear image zoom. Let me turn on APS-C mode. APS-C mode on. We are 70mm, but we are in the APS-C 70mm. So 50mm. But this is the APS-C 50mm, which is like a 75mm full frame now. Let me turn on the clear image zoom. So right now we are at somewhere 112mm now. 112mm in APS-C mode with clear image zoom. So let me know in the comment section box below, what do you think about it? APS-C mode now. Let me know in the comment section box below how good is the audio. Bye.